Hello all traders, today is Friday 13th of December 2024 and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and DAX CFDs if we see low risk opportunities. If we look at the daily and 1 hour macro charts, we see that the price on Nasdaq passed the previous level of resistance and during the Globex session, and on DAX and Dow Jones also went up and then had a deep pullback. So it is in a wide range sideways pattern. So our plan of action is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price tests this level of support, we will take long positions with setup B, C and T repeatedly. So stay tuned and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So I came back, and when I started recording with the Windows updated laptop, it got crashed while recording. So I couldn't continue and its system hanged. So I had some loss at the beginning and then later compensated that as I show you. So instead of going through the videos, I'm going to show you some of the trades that we have taken. As you see, Nasdaq here in this point, which was testing this support level around this area, we saw that it got rejected and buyers came back, and you see rejections and shadows in this area. So I entered here with setup B, and that's the beginning of breakout failure, and then I closed this one with profit. On this candle I moved to 2-minute charts to stay on trades more than 1 minute because of the profit requirements. And as you see, this trade was closed with profit, and this wave which was going up, and you see the shadow, you can see it here that again continued, and I waited for the pullback. So this candle showed that the buyers are coming back, so I entered here and exit here with profit. Then the price had a deeper pullback and widened the range, so the range become wider. So as you see here, it became completely down and retested this area. So we are in uptrend now. As you see, this is a wide range sideways in 2-minute charts, and so I entered here and exit here and re-entered here and exit here, and again I waited for the pullback to be completed and entered here and exit in the middle of channel. So this was setup C. This is supposed to be setup T, but this one is setup C here, and also T in the lower time frames, and this is setup T. So also I took several positions on Dow Jones, and that's around this area when we had this area got rejected on this candle and the buyers were coming back. So around this area that was still going up, so there was a retest here, and when the buyers came back and reached the previous area of support, I took long position with setup C, and then later with setup T here, and close in the middle of channel. Then the pullback become deeper, and I entered here when it reached this area of support and got rejected here with setup C again, and this is beginning of another wave of uptrend. And so these are kind of shadow here that you don't see the details. And I didn't have any trades on DAX. It was very choppy and non-trendy, and you see that it was around this area, which wasn't good to take any trades. So you're gonna see list of trades here that we took today, and we end up becoming positive $55. And if you look at the reports, it shows that we had $191 gain and $136 loss, with the profit factor which is now 141, with the max drawdown of 1.5%. So this shows equity curve here when we started trading, and we set up our system properly here, and we compensated this drawdown when we were setting up the system, and now I increased slightly the position size as you see here, which may give drawdown of half to 1%, although it's not very perfect compared to NinjaTrader, but it's workable. As you see, the equity curve is going up steadily, and this report shows the equity curve and drawdown, which is less than 1% drawdown as the account is growing, and our max daily drawdown is 5%, and we're trying to manage not to exceed 1% daily drawdown, and the max account drawdown on this unlimited account is 12%. So I hope this video and trade taken by the PAAT system on CFD and Forex prop firms is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.